Hello whizzes! Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Anatomy of the nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network of cells and tissues that coordinates and controls various functions of the body. It plays a crucial role in processing information from the external environment, regulating internal body processes, and enabling communication between different parts of the body. The nervous system can be divided into two main components, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. Let's explore the anatomy of the nervous system in detail. Central Nervous System, CNS. The CNS consists of the brain and the spinal cord. It serves as the command center of the body and is responsible for processing sensory information, making decisions, and sending signals to the rest of the body. Here's a closer look at the components of the CNS. Brain. The brain is the most complex organ in the nervous system and is protected by the skull. It is divided into several regions, each with specific functions. These regions include the cerebrum, responsible for conscious thought, memory, and voluntary muscle control, the cerebellum, controls balance and coordination, the brainstem, controls basic life functions like breathing and heart rate, and the diencephalon, which includes the thalamus and hypothalamus, involved in sensory relay and homeostasis. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long, tubular structure that extends from the base of the brain down through the vertebral column. It acts as a pathway for communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Sensory information from the PNS is transmitted to the brain through the spinal cord, and motor commands from the brain are sent to muscles and organs via the same route. Peripheral Nervous System, PNS. The PNS includes all the nervous structures outside the CNS. It connects the CNS to the limbs, organs, and sensory receptors throughout the body. The PNS can be further divided into two main subdivisions. Peripheral Nervous System, PNS. The PNS includes all the nervous structures outside the CNS. It connects the CNS to the limbs, organs, and sensory receptors throughout the body. The PNS can be further divided into two main subdivisions. Somatic Nervous System. This part of the PNS is responsible for controlling voluntary muscle movements and processing sensory information from the external environment. It consists of motor neurons that carry signals from the CNS to skeletal muscles, causing movement, and sensory neurons that transmit information about touch, pain, temperature, and proprioception, awareness of body position, back to the CNS. Peripheral Nervous System, PNS. The PNS includes all the nervous structures outside the CNS. It connects the CNS to the limbs, organs, and sensory receptors throughout the body. The PNS can be further divided into two main subdivisions. Somatic Nervous System. This part of the PNS is responsible for controlling voluntary muscle movements and processing sensory information from the external environment. It consists of motor neurons that carry signals from the CNS to skeletal muscles, causing movement, and sensory neurons that transmit information about touch, pain, temperature, and proprioception, awareness of body position, back to the CNS. Autonomic Nervous System, ANS. The ANS regulates involuntary bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, respiration, and glandular activity. It is further divided into two branches. Sympathetic nervous system. Activated in times of stress or danger, fight or flight response, it increases heart rate, dilates pupils, and redirects blood flow to muscles. Parasympathetic nervous system. Promotes relaxation and restores the body to a state of rest and digest. It slows heart rate, constricts pupils, and promotes digestion. Neurons. Neurons are the basic functional units of the nervous system. They transmit electrical signals and communicate with other neurons. A typical neuron consists of the following parts. Cell body, soma. Contains the nucleus and other organelles. Dendrites. Branch-like extensions that receive signals from other neurons. Axon. A long, slender projection that transmits signals away from the cell body. Axon terminals. The end of the axon, where it forms synapses, connections, with other neurons or target cells. Myelin sheath. A fatty insulating layer that surrounds some axons, speeding up the signal transmission. Synapses. Synapses are specialized junctions where neurons communicate. They consist of a presynaptic terminal, the end of the axon, a synaptic cleft, a tiny gap, and a postsynaptic membrane, on the receiving neuron or target cell. Neurotransmitters are released from the presynaptic terminal, cross the synaptic cleft, and bind to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane, transmitting signals from one neuron to another. The nervous system is a highly complex and intricate system that enables us to perceive the world, think, move, and maintain vital bodily functions. It plays a fundamental role in our overall health and well-being. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.